Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Kimi K3 for free to create a nice chess game with VS Code and Kimi K3 free API using this website TokenRouter. Okay, this is my chess game. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google, open TokenRouter. After that, sign up in this website using your Google account or your Twitter account. Okay, click here. Choose a Google account. Hit continue. Okay, don't remember me again. Now, let's go here to home. Choose console. And now go here to API keys. After that, create keys. Okay, let's choose a name. Choose any name that you want for me. Or choose Kimi K3. Okay, after that, hit submit. Now our API key is created. You can show it from here, or you can go copy it from here. For me, I copy it. Now, minimize this one and open VS Code. Okay, close this one. Make VS Code like this. You have to sign in, trust workspace, and continue. Continue the Google. Use your Google account. Okay, we have to make authentication. Let's go here to Gmail. This is my code. Paste it right here. Let's verify. Okay, hit continue. Always open VS Code. Okay. Okay, fine. This is my VS Code. Now let's go here. Press this one. Click auto here. Manage models. Add models. We choose custom endpoint. Rename this one Kimi K3. Hit enter. And the next thing I want to do is to copy this API key and paste it right here. Hit enter. Select this chat completion. Okay, wanna add those parameters. Okay, how to do that? Okay, wanna copy those from text file. You can get in the description for the ID. This one, copy, paste it here. Okay, let's make the cancel here. Name Kimi K3 free. Copy, paste it here. Control V. For the URL, if you want to get the URL, we have to go here to my API, copy this base URL. Copy. Return here to VS Code. Paste it here. Okay, V1 chat completion. Okay, close from here. Let's return toolCalling true. Yes. Vision false. Okay, I think is fine. Press Ctrl S to save. Close this one. Okay, and save all. Auto save. Yes. Press Ctrl S to save. Now, let's see. Go to auto here, other models. We have this Kimi K3 selected. For example, let's say like. Okay, as you can see, it's works fine. Hi, how can I help you today? Okay, let's say, for example, let's create a website. Okay, let's create the chess web game. It's and start thinking. Okay, as you can see, it's continuing creating our chess game. It's created our index.html, engine.js, and it's continuing creating our game. Okay, it's continuing creating our game. Okay, let's say our game. The place of our game, this in my folder chess game. Let's go to the index. Okay, this is my chess game. It's works. It's created and it works perfectly, as you can see. This how Kimi K3 works to create a nice game, but it's still continuing make the layout better and the game better, but it takes some times. For me, at this step, it takes around 20 minutes to complete those five files and this part of this game. I think 10 minutes else to creating all the game. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial.